This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Monday, the 2nd of December. This is James Spann. Got a new surge of very cold air coming in here tonight. Tomorrow will be the coldest day so far this season. Some parts of North Alabama might stay in the 30s all day, despite a sunny sky. Let's go to the upper air look, and it's a classic cold air delivery setup there. Very cold trough. Long wave trough over the eastern part of the United States. We've had multiple waves of cold air coming down the pike. And again, these little clippers come down that northwest flow. We'll have one coming in this evening. And we'll be well down in the 20s both tomorrow morning and Wednesday morning. Cloudless sky. We have a very dry air mass in place across Alabama. That's the visible satellite view. We note some clouds to the north with that clipper. And we'll see some high clouds coming into the northern part of the state tonight. And we do note underneath those clouds, got a few sprinkles and flurries over parts of Kentucky. And we might see a few flurries or sprinkles over the extreme northern part of Alabama tonight, but the air is so dry. If by chance there's a drizzle somewhere or a snowflake somewhere, it will amount to nothing. Temperatures this afternoon, some spots are in the 50s. Birmingham at 51. We've got 48 for Cullman. Huntsville only at 46 as that new surge of cold air pushes in. We've got the warm spot, Mobile, at 62. That's like a tropical heat wave there. Montgomery at 56 and Dothan at 58. Let's look at the watch warning map. It's a very quiet day against some lake effect snow issues for parts of Michigan. And there might be a rumble of thunder with that lake effect snow up there, but otherwise things are pretty quiet. Tomorrow, maybe some thunder for the coast of Texas, but no severe storms expected. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, there could be some thunder across Louisiana and some of the adjacent states. But again, no severe storms are expected anytime soon. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. Numbers are creeping up, and we need that rain. This is suggesting rain amounts between 1 and 2 inches between now and Monday of next week, and there's a lot of uncertainty about the timing of when exactly that rain arrives. We'll go through all the new modeling here in just a second because we have a lot of questions about the weekend. So model fans, here we go. This is the high-resolution HER model valid this evening at 10 o'clock, tonight at 10 o'clock. HRRR, high-resolution rapid refresh, and ooh, yeah, we see that blue in the Tennessee Valley. That would represent the chance of snow flurries. But again, the air is bone dry. A lot of that stuff won't make it to the ground, and if you see a snowflake, it will mean nothing. So again, just a new surge of cold air coming in here tonight. But could there be a flurry or a sprinkle somewhere? Yes, but nothing beyond that. So this is tomorrow off the GFS, the 12Z run. Trough is gradually shifting off the Atlantic coast, and that new surge of cold air settling in. That's a 1,034 millibar high on the Ohio River. And again, if you're in Huntsville, Florence, Athens, Decatur, Scottsboro, you might stay in the 30s all day, despite sunshine. Highs in the 40s elsewhere. It'll be a cold but a sunny day. And we start the day in the 20s. Now, Wednesday, we start the day in the 20s. And again, we might see some upper teens for the colder pockets, both tomorrow morning and Wednesday morning over North Alabama. Most spots in the 20s, and a pretty good chance we'll see a freeze all the way down to the Gulf Coast. So be aware of that. But we note during the day, Wednesday, rain begins to increase west of the state with a little feature, and that rain will be creeping in here Wednesday night. This is after midnight Wednesday night. And this should be fairly light. Obviously, moisture's limited, but a chance of some rain Wednesday night into early Thursday across the state. And of course, we'll be well above freezing when this rain gets in here. We'll be in the 40s throughout the night Wednesday night, so no concern with ice. And then by Thursday afternoon, any showers should be confined to the far southern counties of the state. And yet another surge of cold air drops in. That's a 1,032 millibar high that's over Iowa. The hits just keep on coming. Temperatures on Thursday will likely hold in the 40s all day. This is Friday. We're cold and dry. Friday morning's going to be very cold. And again, we'll see upper teens and low 20s. Very cold for early December this far south. The high Friday will be in the mid to upper 40s for the northern counties, low to mid 50s for the southern counties. So let's look at this weekend situation. So the GFS pushes rain in here Saturday, and there's a lot of stuff happening, a lot of Christmas events, a lot of Christmas parades. Things are happening. So the GFS says it's going to rain on Saturday, but the European model says no. No, it's not going to rain at all. It's going to be a cool, dry day. So it's pure model madness. Let's look at Sunday. The GFS, wet, 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 wet. The European, nothing. And if you're a longtime viewer, you know that the European global model is typically more reliable at this range. It certainly was reliable on Thanksgiving Day last week, leading up to that. And we're going to side with that drier European solution and forecast a mostly dry weekend ahead. Understand, though, that could easily change. The confidence is low, but we'll trend toward the drier solution here for Saturday and Sunday. Highs for the weekend should be in the 50s and lows in the 20s and 30s. And then a week from today, this is Monday, the 9th of December, got a trough axis to the west. This is the GFS, and it's wet, and the European is wet. So both models agree that it will get a good rain in here probably early next week, maybe starting Sunday night, continuing into Monday, possibly Tuesday. And again, this should be a pretty good rain event. I think this will bring potential for 1 to 2 inches of rain to the state. And the good news, it's not a severe weather look. So let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday, December 12th. The big trough in the west is lifting out, and we are just cool and dry. Take a look at rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the European ensemble. This is for the next 15 days between now and the 17th of December. The mean, it's over 2.5 inches. Come on now, we'll take that. That's good. Temperatures off the NBM, National Blend of Models. And you can see, we warm up in the low 50s Wednesday, but then we just drop right back in the 40s on Friday. Friday morning, look at that 24. And I think many spots could see upper teens Friday morning. Then we bounce back into the low 60s by Monday of next week. And that'll be like a tropical heat wave. And then 50s for the middle part of next week. And let's see here. This is yesterday's long-range guidance. The new one should be in, so let's see if it is. And it's not. Sometimes they're a little late in the products. That's okay. But you get the idea. This is for December 9th through December 15th. And if this works out, temperatures pretty close to average here across Alabama. Hey, back on the road. Thanksgiving break is over. Children's of Alabama Kid Cam, Southside Elementary School, Etowah County, 5th graders. These guys are looking good. I've been coming to see the 5th graders at Southside around Christmas time for a long, long time. I love coming to the library, seeing the kids. That's a great school with great teachers. We had a really good session today. They can soak up the science. Talked about weather forecasting, tornadoes, hurricanes, did some storm spotting. Great session today. So again, to all those great kids out at Southside Elementary School, home of the Panthers. Thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. You guys are looking great. So tomorrow going to be up in Cherokee County at Center to see some senior adults there. And then tomorrow evening, in between our 6 and 10 o'clock news, I'll be out at Ross Bridge. For years, I've had a chance to read some Christmas books to the kids out there. It's a fundraiser for ministries, kind of a Christmas tradition. Thursday going to be at Plainview High School up in Rainsville, up in DeKalb County. Friday, get a chance to see some of the teachers of the month, our winners throughout the year. We'll be having a banquet for them. And again, we're planning a book signing Saturday, but I don't have the details back from the publisher. As soon as I get that, we'll pass that along. And don't forget it's Monday, which means Weather Brains, the Monday night weather party, will be up live. The show for weather geeks, dweebs, nerds, dorks, and weenies. Tonight at 7 Central, 8 Eastern. On the Weather Brains YouTube channel, youtube.com/weatherbrains. Most people listen to the audio podcast. That'll be out late tonight. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.